Hi, I'm Dale Keller, President of Ecosystems Arizona, and I would like to thank you for being considered for this project.
Ecosystems is a company that design and build wastewater treatment facilities.
Welcome to the Tonto Apache wastewater treatment plant.
It is fair to say that this is the most advanced wastewater treatment plant at this point in the world. The quality of the effluent water has been absolutely incredible.
It's a biological process of nitrification and denitrification.
And had given about 7 awards for the best technology in wastewater treatment plant at this point.
The system is in a way self-contained and uses probably about 30 to 50% less land than most conventional systems.
The biological process is an extended aeration activated sludge process.
It's absolutely different comparing with the conventional plants. This plant uses no chemicals whatsoever to treat the effluent water.
No chemicals. Yeah, that's pretty unique in the industry. It's a green system.
This uses a USBF technology that was developed by Eagle Fluids up in Canada.
Our system is actually pretty simple.
This is an upflow technology that uses the sludge blanket as a filter.
Typically, fluidized bed would be created by chemically precipitating. You create floc, and then you have fluidized bed. The sludge itself, we give it conditions at the entrance into the clarifier. It flocculates on its own, without any chemicals, without any flocculants.
The water comes into the influent, which is right behind me. It gets pumped up into the equalization basin or noxic basin. The air transfers over to the bioreactors.
Because of the V shape, as that flow goes up, what happens is that the velocity decreases because there is more volume. So it starts going fast, and as the shape of the clarifier opens up, everything starts slowing down. Now, depending on the size of the floc, of the sludge floc, that floc may become stationary at certain height of the clarifier. It may become stationary here. If it's heavier, it will be a bit lower. If it's lighter, it will be a little bit higher. That's where the sludge blanket is formed.
The system's based on natural use of bacteria.
The bacteria go from anoxic to aerobic to anoxic to aerobic conditions, and in the process, they uptake phosphorus and retain it.
From there, it clarifies out. It is UV disinfection.
The benefit of the plant is the quality of the water, which is class A+. This can go easily into a tank, use it for fire line or a sprinkler system. We don't want the people to drink it, but it's almost there. The plant has one of the best technologies in order to minimize the pollution, the odor that other plants produce.
We have installations that are actually near restaurants.
Welcome to Sonic, how may I help you?
We haven't gotten any odor complaints.
Our system is virtually odor-free, and it's also cheaper because the chemicals cost money, and not only are they bad for the environment and then have to be taken out of the water.
The cost of this plant is so small compared with the conventional plant. And for any conventional plant to put the kind of water that we have right here, they have to spend the millions.
You can have a 150, 200,000 gallon system and the entire plant would be on a quarter acre, which is unheard of in the industry. A 125,000 gallon plant operates on less than 200 amp panel. So there's some substantial cost savings there in terms of long-term operational costs.
This is the brains of the operation.
The systems, the electronics, the mechanics of the plant allows you to have only one person.
The plant is running by one operator only.
A 250,000 gallon system could be maintained by one individual on a part-time basis. And when you factor that in over the life of the facility, you're talking millions of dollars in savings.
We put it on the side of the hill because it gives you like you are on top of the tennis court. The people can see from the casino that is a tennis court. The people on the restaurant that can see it's not a wastewater treatment plant. And we can put it like in a little house to blend within a subdivision.
Some of the major corporations that are supplying wastewater, they have 50 to 100 people, and communication gets lost in the shuffle. We're relatively small, and it's an individual to individual in terms of a working relationship, and that maintains really good communication.
What usually happens in the big companies and corporations is that you have so many levels that you have to go through in order to have an answer. If you have a problem with your specifications or your documents that you don't understand, you have to go through 2 or 3 people in order to get the information. Maybe what you get from us is a more tailored, a more boutique kind of firm. Yeah, tomorrow is fine. Here, you know me by name, I'm a decision maker, and also my team has the power to make things happen. It is like working with friends. This is the best facility in the world. You're going to get from us the best product.
Thanks for listening to our presentation, and we're looking forward to putting our technology to work for you.